Number two, dahil December 2023 lang unang pumunta ang ICC investigators sa Pilipinas, ay hindi nakakaduda that the ICC investigators manufactured the existence of ICC jurisdiction in the Philippines because the residual jurisdiction of ICC ended in March of 2019, or 1 year after the Philippines deposited its articles of withdrawal in the United Nations. Number four, the ICC investigators themselves committed graft and corruption.
Alamin ako sinong
Dahil
direktor.
bakit hinayaan nilang